Hello friends, I am JNG. This is our channel JN Social. Today we are going to discuss about the Census of India 2021. The Census of India is not going to be finished before 2021 as per the plan. Then when it will be finished, and also the government is not going to collect details of the house through the door-to-door detail collection by the staffs. This year the government plan to collect the details through different method. Then what is that method? We are going to reveal in this video one by one. The Census of India is conducted every 10 years. This census used to happen in two phases. In the first phase, the house census and house listing used to happen. In this process, the staff used to go to different houses and getting to know what type of house that is and how many people are residing in that house and the address of the house. These details will be collected. It was planned in India to be conducted from April to September in 2020. Then the next phase is population enumeration. Here the minor details of everyone in the house and the cow's economic activities will be collected, which was planned in India 2021 February. Before that they planned to finish it. But because of COVID-19 pandemic, the entire process was collapsed. Even then, in few states, the census and also the updation of National Population Register also started as per the plan. So, when details collected for updating National Population Register, in few states, protests also emerged against the National Population Register while concerning the citizenship of few people. The National Population Register include details of not only the citizen but also the foreign national as also those who are residing in India more than 6 months. Then followed by COVID-19 pandemic, the government staffs, those who are involved in collecting details for National Population Register and the census, they were diverted to in the corona eradication program. They were used in the activities like the medical help as well as the sanitation programs. Then recently, in order to eradicate the corona, now the vaccination program also started in India. So the staffs are effectively involved in those activities. So now the government is planning to move the door-to-door detail collection to another method. The population census provide demographic and economic details of the population. For instance, age group, sex, type of economic activities the people are doing, and the type of house they are living, and household amenities, what type of house that is, then the literacy and many more details it will cover. It will be very useful for taking policy decisions and giving some better development activities for the people and the economic growth of the country. In India, the population census conducted by the Office of Registrar General and Census Commissioner, which is functioning under the Home Ministry. The population census conducted in India is not in the recent time. It is a historical process. It has been started from the ancient time. During the time of Vedic period, about 2800 years to 2600 years back, there were the evidence of conducting one type of population census. The Arthashastra, which was written by Kaudalya, who was the minister of Chandragupta Maurya, which also have the evidence of the king has collected details regarding to the people, then the type of industries there were, then again the wealth of the people for better tax administration. Then during the Mughal Empire period, particularly during the Akbar regime, there was a book called Ani-Akbari, which also gave details about the type of population census was conducted during that period. Then when British started to colonize India, they were struggled to administer India at the initial stage because the diversity of Indian population and different culture, they unable to manage that. They try to cut the trees from the forest and try to use that trees for the railway track construction and also try to convert the forest area to cultivated area or plantation area. So the local people from the region, particularly the tribal people, agitated against the British administration. So the British government, in order to manage them and get maximum taxes from the region and exploit the Indian economy as much they can and collect more revenue from India and bring back to British, they try to introduce the concept is called population census. Through that census, they getting to know the type of people and what their needs and what their economic activities and many more demographic and economic details that was very helpful for them to administer them better and exploit them as much they can. So, the first population census in India was introduced in 1872, but the first synchronous whole India process of population census was conducted in 1881. From the years onwards, every 10 years regularly conducted population census in India. But in recent time, because of COVID-19 pandemic, the process may be postponed, particularly maybe from instead of completing before 2021, it may be finished on 2022. Now the central government has a plan of conducting digital census instead of collecting details of the people from door-to-door details collection. So now we are witnessing in Indian history, it is the first time India is planning to conduct digital census. So for the process, Indian government has already planned to invest 12,000 crore for developing digital infrastructure for conducting digital census. And again, India also in the budget section introduced that 3,768 crore to be spent for the Census of India 2021. So now the central government have a plan of developing mobile app. Through that mobile app, we have to send our demographic and economic details which need for the population census. So friends, what do you think about this video? Do you think that government has taken right step instead of moving door-to-door detail collection during the COVID-19 pandemic in order to maintain the physical distance? Government has taken right step. Otherwise, they don't participate in the digital census as effectively as they used to participate in the door-to-door detail collection for the census. Give your opinion in the comment section. We shall meet again in our next very interesting topic. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye-bye.